This is Samsung Galaxy A04s, and today I'm going to demonstrate that you can block all spam and robocalls on this device. So first of all, make sure that at least one SIM card is inserted, then launch settings, or not settings, excuse me, the default phone dialer app. Tap at these three vertical dots, you'll have it, all the interfaces, but only the placing of it changes slightly. Then go for settings, enter the caller ID and spam protection page, turn this toggle on, then switch on the block spam and scam calls toggle once again, and choose to what extent it will block the spam calls. Alrighty, so that will be it. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.